What's up? We about to get lit. Ayy, yes sir. Y'all lit. Ayy, yes sir. I be lit, sir. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Nicole. Today I'm back at it again with another mother flipping video. Y'all, I was finna go to sleep. I had on the indigo purple wig, and it kind of hurt my heart to take it off, but I had to put y'all on with this hair right here, with this wig, baby. Oh, baby, I had to put y'all on with this wig. Y'all, if y'all want to know the tea on the wig that I'm wearing and stuff like that, make sure you keep on watching this video. Watch me put it on, watching all of that, making the baby hairs, plucking it with my bare fingers, my Haitian fingers. Without further ado, let's keep on watching, okay? Okay.
Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story was different with me. God's plan. God's plan.
So first and foremost, let me just say, y'all know I'm working with Beauty Exchange Orlando. That's the spot if you want to get the plug on the hair and the products, you know what I'm saying. Check out Beauty Exchange Orlando on Facebook and Instagram. You know I'm going to be on there hooking y'all up with the latest deals, specials, giving y'all the hottest tea on hair, okay? Listen, I have some tea for you. So first and foremost, as you're going to see in the video, you're going to see me use the wig, but today I'm wearing the Outre Swiss X lace front wig. It's the Vixen Blowout Straight, you guys. They have two different styles in the store with this whole Vixen situation, but this is the Blowout Straight. The other one I think is a more bigger, kinkier texture. This one goes in it could go into like 4 Bantu knots, you guys. Let me show you. Come on, camera. My camera don't ever want to focus. Okay, come on. So as you can see right here, if the lighting's not too bright, it could go into the Bantu knots, half up, half down, which means you could do French braids going back, really, Abigail? You could do French braids going back, you could do half up, half down, you could do 2 pigtails, you could do whatever you want to do. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, you could pretty much slay this wig however you want to. So far, you guys, it is a synthetic wig, let me just say that. So don't expect it to be like these virgin hair wigs that I usually wear. But I'm honestly kind of shook at this. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, like I'm actually feeling like this is a wig I would wear. Like, it looks natural because of the little rigid textures in the hair, and it just gives it that natural flow and look. And I don't mind. It laid down with the edge control. We did that, okay? Like, there's nothing you can tell me. We did that, and if you try to tell me otherwise, you're gonna get deleted and blocked. As simple as that, okay? But yeah, y'all, so listen, that's enough tea on the hair and stuff like that. It's Abby approved. Get it, buy it, get with it, or get left. But yeah, y'all, you know I always gotta come through. Abby come through. You deserve wigs today. Okay. But yeah, y'all, check out the rest of the video. Peace. Out is out into his house. Yeah. All right, you guys, so let's get right into this customization of this synthetic wig. As y'all know, sometimes the synthetic wigs need work. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of times they need work. So with this hairline, I am trying to finesse it, and already the lace is pretty much my skin color. It's transparent. Now, one thing you should know, the lace on synthetic wigs are a little bit thicker and a little bit rougher, so just know that it might be a little bit uncomfortable depending on how you deal with it. But here I am cutting off the excess lace on the sides. You guys, I don't know why for some reason, but I guess I lost the clip of me starting this from the beginning because I was looking for it and I couldn't find it. But here I'm going to be using my good old Pump It Up Spritz. I put it in this bottle, but it's really the Pump It Up Spritz, and I'm just spraying that on my lace. Now I'm going to tie the hair down and such like that. But I did believe I did go through and pluck some of the hairs out. Yeah, I can't find the clip. Hold on. Wow, you guys, I'm so sorry. The clip of me like plucking the frontal and stuff like that with my fingers is gone, but I promise to do it on a different wig for you so you guys can see the concept, because I have so many other synthetic wig tutorials that I am going to be doing for you guys. But so just stay tuned, okay? But now I'm going to tie the front down and let that sink in for a couple minutes, let the spritz dry. It's not going to be the strongest hold, you guys. I just want it to be a little bit more blended, you know what I'm saying? The spritz helps the lace blend into my skin. So here I'm going to show you guys a little bit more of the wig here. You can part it it straight down the middle all the way to the back, which means you could do like pigtails or French braids. You can part it down the middle again to make 4 sections. I just couldn't find it the way, you know, my head was. I could probably do it off the wig though. But here I'm going to make my little sideburn, and I'm making that come up, and then I'm going to make my baby hairs. So these baby hairs is pretty much self-explanatory. And look, I have a little tan line on my forehead from where my frontal was so low. I'll be trying to hide my forehead from y'all. But anyways, I'm going to let y'all watch the baby hair part because it's pretty much self-explanatory and there's really not much for me to explain. All right? Okay, I mean, maybe there is a little bit to explain. You don't want your baby hairs to be too thick and too dense, you guys. That's where it starts to look crazy and too thick and crusty. So the edge control that I'm using is the Viva Edge Control. You can get that at Beauty Exchange Orlando. It's really bomb. It works so good. And I'm going to use that to just swoop my edges. Now, edges take a while for me because they have to be a certain way. So just be patient with me in the way I'm slicking them down or whatever. It just takes time. So things take a little time. Hey, that's my song. But nah, it takes time, so just take your time on it. Don't rush it. Bear with me for this video. I did the other side off camera, so you guys wouldn't have to sit all the way through that. Yeah, so continue to watch that. So I really find that having my hair stand up in the front, like you see me doing here with my curling wand, helps it to look more natural. I just don't like when my hair falls straight down in my face. So I just sprayed it with some spritz, and then I'm going to go in with the curling wand to get it to stand up. Make sure you're not leaving the curling wand on it for too long because it can burn, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, make sure you are careful with that. Okay, see, I'm going back to the edges again to slick them down. I'm telling you, the edges is a process, sis. If you want good wigs, you got to be patient. All right, so she put a red lip on and changed her little jacket, you know what I'm saying? So she feeling herself. She just showing you how far back the part go. Ooh, yes, girl. So you can wear this wig in the middle part. That's what you see here.
30 hertz straight up.
And I just gotta say, the way this hair was flowing, I did not mind it at all. Like, I really like this hair. So now we're gonna go into a different hairstyle, and the hairstyle that I'm about to do right here is the half up, half down. It works really well with this hair because of the texture and just the way the hair is laying flat, the way the hair was constructed. It's just working with me, and I really appreciate that. You could put all the hair up, like, you know, all the hair up in the front, but I like to leave the little sides down. That's how I like to do my half up, half downs pretty much. So yeah. All right, so on to the next hairstyle. Pretty easy, self-explanatory. We're going to do a top knot, baby. We're going to do a top knot, okay? Okay, I'm trying to show y'all that this is one of those good wigs when you gotta hop out the house real quick to go to the store. You gotta throw the wig on real quick and you don't want it to look bumpy. This is one of those wigs you could do that with. God's plan, God's plan, God's plan, God's plan. You know what I'm saying? So do like a couple like more hairstyles just to show the gram that you could do a couple more. So let me just do you know, the simple low pony real quick. I think you could high-key do a high pony with this, but we're not gonna try that right now. We're not gonna try that. We're not gonna do that. That's what we not gonna do. Okay. Alright, y'all, so the last hairstyle is the ponytail. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to show you that you can finesse with these wigs too. Okay? Love you so much. See you in the next one. Mwah, peace! Peace out, everybody! Oh, whoa! Oh, dang. That was, no, I'm not even kidding. That was a little hard. That was a little hard on my chest. Like, dang.
I guess I cut too deep this time. You say you done. Hope you change your mind.